Looking for the perfect DSLR camera that delivers professional quality without breaking the bank? Whether you are a beginner exploring photography or a seasoned pro chasing cinematic shots, choosing the right DSLR can be overwhelming. But do not worry, we have narrowed it down for you. In this video, we are unveiling the top 5 best DSLR cameras you can buy right now. From stunning image quality to reliable performance, these models are worth every penny. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 5. Nikon D780 DSLR camera. The Nikon D780 offers a balanced mix of modern performance and classic DSLR reliability. It is designed for those who appreciate the optical advantages of a DSLR but still want the flexibility found in mirrorless systems. One of the key reasons to consider the D780 is its versatility. It handles everything from high-resolution photography to advanced video recording with ease. At the heart of this camera is a strong image processor and a large sensor that delivers excellent image quality. Photographs look natural and sharp, with impressive depth and color reproduction. It is particularly effective for low-light shooting thanks to its wide sensitivity range, which reduces noise while maintaining clarity. For video creators, the D780 is an attractive choice. It records in high definition with minimal distortion and provides manual controls for those who want to fine-tune every aspect of their footage. Its support for long exposure without needing an external remote adds creative flexibility. Number 4. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a full-frame DSLR that is revered for its all-around excellence in both photography and videography. This camera has been a favorite among professionals for years due to its consistent performance and refined features. With its large image sensor and advanced image processor, the 5D Mark IV produces stunning images with vibrant colors and fine detail. Photographers will appreciate how well this camera performs in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dim interiors. It offers a broad sensitivity range, which translates into better control over exposure without excessive noise. This makes it suitable for events, weddings, or documentary work where lighting is often unpredictable. The 5D Mark IV also delivers strong video performance, supporting high-resolution formats that cater to modern filmmaking needs. Number 3. Nikon D850 FX-Format DSLR camera. The Nikon D850 is a powerhouse that appeals to professionals and serious photographers who demand top-tier performance. Its full-frame sensor delivers breathtaking image quality with exceptional detail, especially in demanding lighting conditions. The camera shines in still photography, producing results with depth, clarity, and natural tones, making it ideal for portraits, landscapes, and studio work. One major reason photographers choose the D850 is its high resolution. This allows for unmatched sharpness and flexibility when editing or printing large-scale images. But resolution is only one part of the story. The D850 also offers an advanced autofocus system that works seamlessly in both photo and video modes. It locks onto subjects with speed and accuracy, ensuring sharp results across a range of shooting scenarios. Number 2. Canon EOS90D DSLR camera. The Canon EOS90D earns its spot on this list by pushing the limits of what is possible from an enthusiast-level DSLR. It is a feature-packed camera that is ideal for those looking to grow their photography or videography skills with a reliable and future-proof setup. The standout highlight is its high-resolution sensor, which offers incredible detail and color richness, especially noticeable when printing large photos or cropping images without losing clarity. This camera impresses with its fast continuous shooting rate, which means it is capable of capturing quick-moving scenes with ease. Whether you are photographing a sports event or candid moments, the responsiveness is noticeable. The autofocus system is reliable and precise, even in low light, helping you focus on your subject with confidence. Number 1. Nikon D7500 DSLR camera. The Nikon D7500 stands out as an exceptional all-around DSLR, making it our top recommendation. It offers a powerful combination of performance, durability, and image quality tailored for photography enthusiasts and semi-professionals alike. What makes the D7500 so appealing is its ability to deliver superior image clarity thanks to its well-optimized sensor and impressive processing engine. It inherits key technology from the higher-end Nikon D500, which includes advanced metering, excellent color accuracy, and a strong dynamic range. One of the biggest strengths of this camera is its reliable autofocus system. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best DSLR cameras. Do not forget to like and subscribe.